Okay. Hi, I'm Alina Especuarzo. Today is June 6, 2020. And here's my side with the joints I have written on here. I'm going to show you my chicken dissection and the bones and joints. So here's the chicken that I dissected, the wing that I dissected. And I'll start with this side of the wing where this is the ball and socket joint. You can see the articular cartilage is here, along with the articular membrane, and then it's connected to the humerus, which is this bone right here. Then the next bone, which is more like your shoulder, right here from your shoulder down. And the next is the hinge joint, which is right here, and this is connected between the humerus and then the radius and the ulna on this side. Inside here, you're going to find the synovial fluid and the synovial membrane and the synovial capsule around here. So that's going to be inside here between all these muscles and tendons on this side. Okay, and then next here we have the radius and the ulna. And then the ulna is the one that's closer to your pinky on this side of your body. And the radius, your radius is your bigger bone. Connected to that, we have the clinoid joint, which is in between here, which is more like your wrist joint, which is right here. Oh, so your wrist joint is connected to that. And these are more like we're connected to your hand and your fingers. On this chicken wing, you can see like some bones right here, which are your phalanges, but it's connected to like your metacarpals, and then your phalanges up here. So this is where it can help you with like extension and flexion. Coming back to here, you can see a lot of the muscles on this chicken wing, and you can kind of see like the fluid, the synovial fluid, and the synovial capsule around it. Everything is right in between here in the hinge joint. Back up to here, you can see the cartilage that makes up your shoulder blade, and this would just be where it's connected to your shoulder. And it's like in between here, you can even see like some bone marrow in there. That's where that would be where your articular cartilage is and your articular membrane. And that's all. I also just want to point out that this is where your articular cartilage is and your articular capsule. And then this is where your synovial cartilage is and a synovial membrane in between the hinge joints. Okay, and that's all.